G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I've got something really new here. Now, Wurth have a lot of fantastic products and I get to use them all the time. I'm really lucky. But this one's actually blown me away. This is an upholstery cleaner. It's called Liquid Clear. Now it's safe. You don't need to use PPE. It's safe for your animals, kids, all that sort of stuff. But what it does, it's an upholstery cleaner. So all your material surfaces, your lounge suite at home or in the office, your car seats, roof linings, all that sort of stuff, it'll clean all the gunk and grime. If you spilt your coffee on your seat, things like that, it'll clean it all off. But what you can do with it is when you've finished cleaning, you can spray a little bit on, let it dry, and it acts like a waterproofing agent. So any more spills won't get absorbed in. It is terrific. Like I said, I was blown away how well it worked. Now, as I said, it's safe. So it won't affect your kids or anyone who sits on it or comes in contact with your animals, things like that. So let's go and have a look at how it works. Now, we've cleaned a car seat that was pretty grubby and it worked really well. So now we've seen it in action. It was really simple and easy to get those stains off the car seat. Just a quick spray, a wipe with a rag or a brush, and it's all good. As I said, it leaves that waterproofing with the nanotechnology, so any further spills down the track won't get soaked in by the fabric. Now it's liquid clear, so it is a clear colour, so it won't affect any fabric. So you can spray it on white fabrics or dark fabrics, it doesn't matter. And it also has no smell. So you don't get that strong chemical smell or a citrusy smell or something like that. So it's really good like that. You can use it on leathers as well. You can spray it on leather products and it won't harden. The fabrics will stay breathable, if that's the right word, and soft and supple. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and Wurth Liquid Clear is ready for work.